Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great week so far. Today I will be sharing with you my cinnamon French toast recipe. This recipe has been a staple in my household on the weekends, and I hope you love it just as much as we do. These are the ingredients that you will need, and I'll be leaving a list of all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below. You're going to need some vanilla, ground cinnamon, brown sugar, milk, 2 eggs, and some bread. Today I'm using thick cut brioche. You can use Texas toast, and if all you have on hand is sandwich bread, it works fine too. You're also going to need a shallow dish to mix your ingredients in and dunk your bread. I normally use a 9-inch glass pie plate, but today I'll be using this Pyrex dish because if you watched my last video, my peach crumble is currently in it right now. If you haven't watched that video, go and check it out. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description box below. So you're going to want to combine all of your ingredients in the dish. Today I am just using whole milk, but you can use any milk you have on hand. If you're feeling extra decadent, go ahead and use some heavy cream or half and half. Once you've whisked together all the ingredients, set your mixture aside and take a frying pan. Set it to about a medium heat and spread some butter along the bottom. Now once your butter is nice and bubbly and hot, you're going to take your bread and dunk it in your mixture. The reason you want your butter and your pan to be hot is because this will ensure that your French toast will not stick to the bottom. Now if you're using a sandwich toast or a thinner piece of bread, I would recommend that you just give it a quick dunk in the mixture so you don't end up with a soggy French toast. So you want to let your French toast cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and after 2 or 3 minutes you can go ahead and flip it over and you should see a lovely brown color on your French toast. Let it cook for about another 2 or 3 minutes on that side, remove it from the heat and set aside. You're going to want to re-butter your pan in between each slice of French toast to make sure your bread doesn't stick and to give it that golden brown color that we're looking for. Go ahead and repeat the same steps for as many slices of French toast as you want to make. I found that this amount of mixture is good for about 8 slices of this thick cut brioche. Don't mind my sugar container on the side. I was getting some coffee ready to go with this French toast. Guys, this French toast goes great paired with some bacon or some eggs on the side or eaten just as is. It is so delicious, trust me guys. And this is how my French toast turned out. I went ahead and sprinkled it with some powdered sugar and I added some berries for a finishing touch. Go ahead and drizzle it in honey or maple syrup and enjoy. If you like this recipe, leave me a comment and let me know. Once again guys, thank you so much for clicking in on the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.